Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is future me. On Saturday I went to King of Prussia Mall, did some shopping, and I'm going to be showing you an Evereve and White House Black Market try on. I only tried on a few things at White House Black Market. There's really not that much that was interesting me there. Evereve I tried quite a bit on, and I'll explain to you right now exactly what I tried on and how I felt about each piece, and hopefully that can make your decisions a little bit easier. Due to my poor video editing skills, I cannot figure out how to time my speech with the video and play it. So I don't know how to make my videos longer to work with my voice. So what I'm going to do is do my voice first, and then you're going to end up seeing the video. Okay, so first up that you're going to see in the video, I tried on the Kelsey High Rise Fab Ab Ankle Flare, along with the Evereve multicolored top. All right, the top is only $58. I didn't notice it online, but when I saw it in store, I thought it was kind of cute, so I picked it up. It's just a knit top, like an elevated t-shirt type of thing. The pants fit really well, and I liked them a lot. However, I just didn't feel I could justify them because there were not that much difference than the styles I currently own. The top was cute. $58, I say only $58. It wasn't worth to me $58. And you could see my bra in it, as you could see from the one side shot. But other than that, you know, if I adjusted it right, it would be okay. But again, I thought for $58, I felt I could leave that behind. So I've been looking for a looser fitting crop pair of pants to kind of replace the Vigos distressed pair that I have. The ones that I have are seriously distressed with big, huge gaping holes in my knees, and I'm kind of looking for a more relaxed fit but less distressed style. So the Sienna Baggy boyfriend crop kind of interested me online. And in the first pair of jeans, the Kelsey, I wore size 0, they fit perfect. I don't size down and cut from the cloth. I know most people always say size down. I usually can't. So I put the Siennas on, which are the baggy boyfriend, and they were enormous. I mean, they look just sloppy. And the saleswoman, shout out to the Evereve saleswomen there. They were just absolutely fantastic. The saleswoman comes in and she says, "I don't like those on you. Let me get you the 00." So she did give me the 00. She even got me in a couple other types of styles of 00. She says they only get one pair per store. So she's like, she told me that if I wanted to come in, she would highly recommend I do call ahead, and they'll pick out a room for me and pull things in advance. So because of my size is so limited there. I put on the 00 next, and you probably can't tell the difference because I could barely tell the difference. They were just as baggy and unflattering on me. So no to the Sienna Baggy boyfriend. Next up, I was also kind of intrigued, but I wouldn't have high hopes for, were the Evereve Vintage Barrel jeans. They're the kind that come out here right below the hip. I already have large hips, and I don't like emphasizing them, and I didn't expect those to look good on me. And yeah, they fit more or less, actually they fit better than I expected, but still nothing I would want to spend my money on, and I believe they were like $148 too. Next up, I tried on these tan colored Pistola Lenon High Rise Crop Boot Cut. Oh, I like these a lot, and I did not get these. I put them back because of the price tag, $148. Liked them, didn't like them enough for that. Next up, and I'll give you a spoiler alert, these are a keeper, are the cut from the cloth Jane Long short. I felt these were the perfect length for me, the perfect looseness, the perfect, you know, appropriateness of what I'm looking for in just a jean short. So those were keepers. Next up, I tried on this adorable Sanctuary bomber jacket, which I really, really liked. Unfortunately, as the saleswoman said to me, I'm very petite, and the arms were just way too long. You'll see all this bunching in my arms, and there was no place to put that fabric. You couldn't roll it. You couldn't even push it up. It was too tight to push up, and it was just so much fabric right at the bottom of my arms. So sadly, I put it back. If you're a little taller than me, though, I would highly recommend that one. It was really cute. Okay, now you're going to see some things that aren't so flattering on me next, and that's the Evereve knit sweater dress. That dress is beautiful, and it's a very high quality dress. It is a sweater dress, but it's a thin sweater dress, but not so thin that it's cheap. It's a nice thickness to it. The price tag is $108, which I really didn't think it was that bad. But as you can see, that style of dress does not work on me. My hips are just way too large, and it just was not flattering. The next thing I tried was the Zupply. It's the same type of style, except it's a two-piece, one of those long skirts. And I just do not look good in those long skirts. But it was a two-piece, like crochet top and skirt. And again, my hips are just too big. If I sized up, it would look sloppy and not my size everywhere else. So unfortunately, that does not fit my body type. And that is a wrap for the Evereve store. Oh, nope, take that back. I tried on one last thing. You'll see the cut from the cloth tan crop jacket there too. I'm not going to give you too much spoilers what else I kept or what I didn't keep because I'm doing an upcoming video. Next up, I have White House Black Market. They're literally next door to each other in King of Prussia Mall. So I tried on this Peplum black halter. It kind of intrigued me online. I'm like, how does this look in person? And it just looked ridiculous on me. I felt like a flamenco dancer or something. It just stuck out way too much in the Peplum, and it was kind of weird the way it was cut and not, you know, symmetrical. So that was a no, but I was really curious in how it fit. Okay, next up, I tried on a Bustier top. I actually had another one in mind to try on, but they only had that in a size 0. I went to try it on the size 0. No way. So the saleswoman said, well, try this one on in a size 2. In a size 2, it might fit. You know, if that fits you in a 2, then we can order you the other one in a 2. Well, I decided I didn't like the Bustier enough to order. The size 2 and the other one that you'll see in the try-on did fit. Again, I just didn't love it enough, and I put it back. And then the last thing I tried on at White House Black Market is a jacket that I've been having my eye on for a while. It's $185. It did at one point go down to sale to $135, but that's still a little bit too much for me for the amount of times I wear it, especially if I don't leave the house. So sadly, I put it back, but it is on my cart in White House Black Market, and I am going to snag it when it comes time for a sale. Okay, stay tuned for the video coming up. You can see what I'm talking about. I'll try and put some indicators as to when each item is, like what item it was, in the timestamps, so you can get a clearer idea of what I'm trying on, and I'll also provide you links as to the items I tried on too as well. So thank you very much for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, please do, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And then stay tuned for the video coming up. Take care. Till next time.